Good morning. This is Dr. Janani Shankar, currently working as a senior consultant at Kanchi Kamakoti Child's Trust Hospital, which is a tertiary care pediatric hospital, which is also a DNB training center, having the maximum number of seats in all over India. So we have about 14 students coming in every year during the July session, out of which 7 are direct and 7 are post diploma. So when we looked into the options that are available and the courses and the videos that are available in the media, I just found that there was nothing available for the ones who join in newly, whereas there are so many options available for the exam going students. So I thought it's really a need of the hour for uh, guiding these students who join newly. Most of them, the direct ones especially, the direct ones are mostly from private medical college. A few of them from, of course, from government medical college. They're all from other states too, and the issues that they have when they join a hospital after their UG tenure, which is and some of them also lose a time gap after the UG course. They end up preparing for their NEET entrance, and there's a lot of gap between their UG finals and when they join the course newly, and it's a different state and different language and totally different subject that they've not been exposed to much except for a few months in the third and the final year during the UG course. So relax, you have chosen the right specialty. It's a great specialty. You're going to enjoy every minute of your postgraduate course. Of course, you will have some teething problems initially, so I just thought I will give you some tips to get over these initial blues, postgraduate day blues, and your anxiety that whatever goes through your mind. So remember that as I told you, you've chosen the right specialty or in the right place wherever you are. You've done a good job in choosing the right place during your counseling, and first few days you will be having a little difficulty in coping up because a lot of abbreviations are used while the seniors are discussing the case. You may be posted on day one in some specialty sometimes because there are 7 students and we have to accommodate of course the 7 including the post diploma. There are about 14 of them, so you may get exposed to anything in the beginning. So right from the emergency room to the neonatology department to the intensive care unit or any specialty like neurology, hemato-oncology, or so on and so forth. So remember that I mean, the only thing that you should never do is don't ever think that whether you made the right decision or not, because sometimes it is really depressing and makes you a little frustrated in the initial days because as I mentioned earlier, one is the language issue, the other is the subject. You're totally ignorant about pediatrics, except for a few who have worked in a pediatric setup before joining. Most of them are new to the subject and they are just lost. So, as I told you, you've chosen the right specialty, you've chosen the right institution, and I think as postgraduates, you should just stay focused and try to concentrate on what's going on around you. Feel free to clarify your queries then and there with your seniors and the consultants who are available, and also go back and read whatever you have learned that particular day. Suppose you see a child with a febrile seizure on day one, you will not understand what's going on, especially if you have not worked in a pediatric setup. Everything will look new, and you'll definitely be taken aback when you have an emergency in the emergency room. So go back and stay calm, go back and read. Always follow Nelson Textbook of Pediatrics, current edition. Do not Google and read articles and up to date and whatever is available on the net. Nelson is your Bible, and please go back and read your Nelson every day. And I think if you and also note down whatever you don't understand. Have a notebook with you when you're going on rounds with your seniors and consultants. Note down abbreviations which you do not understand. Note down what you don't understand, and come back. And as soon as the rounds get over, you have every right to discuss whatever doubts you have with your seniors and with your consultants. They'll be more than happy to clarify it. It has to be a two-way discussion and not a one-way. So you have to be one, unless you are interested and you are asking questions, the consultants and the seniors, the registrars will not be interested in explaining to you really what's going on, because they are busy and preoccupied with other things. So that's the way to move forward. So at the end of the first video, I summarize and tell you that you have chosen the right specialty, you've chosen the right institution, the right city, and stay calm and stay focused. Always carry a notebook with you, note down points and note down what is new to you, and go back and read your Nelson. And good luck to all of you. We'll meet in the next video. I can go on with the other aspects of your initial days of postgraduate course in the next video. Thank you.